Title: BMW Bike Review 2025, The Ultimate Motorcycle Experience. Introduction. Hey, bike enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the BMW bike lineup for 2025. BMW is known for creating some of the most exciting, high-performance motorcycles on the market, and this year, they've taken it to a whole new level. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone who's just starting out, BMW offers a range of bikes that combine style, technology, and performance. So, let's get into the details of their 2025 lineup and see what makes these machines stand out. 1. BMW M1000RR, the race-ready beast. Let's start with the crown jewel of BMW's sport bike range, the M1000RR. For 2025, BMW has taken the already impressive M1000RR and made it even more refined. With a massive 999cc inline-4 engine, this bike delivers a jaw-dropping 205 horsepower and 83 pound-feet of torque, making it a top contender in the superbike category. Key features: advanced electronics, with dynamic traction control DTC, engine brake control EBC, and the new Race Pro modes, you'll have complete control on the track. Aerodynamic upgrades. The redesigned front fairing improves aerodynamics, allowing for faster cornering and more stable high-speed performance. Weight reduction. The lightweight frame and wheels make the M1000RR even more agile on the track. This is the bike you want if you're looking for an adrenaline-pumping experience and want to push your riding skills to the absolute limit. 2. BMW R1250 GS Adventure, the ultimate touring bike. If adventure is what you seek, then the 2025 BMW R1250 GS Adventure is the bike for you. Known for its all-terrain capabilities and long-distance comfort, the R1250 GS Adventure remains a top choice for riders who want to explore the world. Key features: 1,254cc boxer twin engine, boasting 136 horsepower and 105 pound-feet of torque, this bike will take you through any terrain with ease. Dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment. Whether you're on a smooth highway or rugged dirt paths, the dynamic suspension automatically adjusts to ensure maximum comfort and control. Massive fuel tank. With a 30-liter fuel tank, the R1250 GS Adventure is built for long-haul adventures without the need for frequent stops. With improved technology and unmatched durability, the 2025 GS Adventure is ready to tackle anything you throw its way. 3. BMW F900R, the perfect middleweight naked bike. Looking for something in the middleweight category that doesn't compromise on performance or style? The 2025 BMW F900R delivers a perfect balance of power, agility, and comfort, making it one of the best naked bikes on the market today. Key features: 895cc parallel twin engine. The F900R generates 105 horsepower and 68 pound-feet of torque, which makes it perfect for both urban commutes and spirited rides on twisty mountain roads. Full LED lighting. The sleek LED headlamp and tail light enhance both style and safety by offering better visibility. BMW connectivity. The F900R comes with a fully integrated TFT display that connects to your smartphone, allowing you to manage calls, music, and navigation without taking your eyes off the road. With its raw power and aggressive styling, the F900R is an incredible option for riders who want an exciting yet manageable ride. 4. BMW S1000XR, the sporty adventure tourer. The 2025 BMW S1000XR is a unique blend of sport bike performance and touring capabilities. With its aggressive looks and superior ergonomics, it's built to offer the best of both worlds. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or blasting through twisty roads, the S1000XR has you covered. Key features: 999cc inline-4 engine. The S1000XR pushes out an incredible 165 horsepower, providing thrilling performance that makes every ride exhilarating. Rider modes. With multiple riding modes, you can customize the bike's performance to your liking, whether you're riding in the city or hitting up a challenging off-road trail. Advanced safety features. The bike features dynamic traction control DTC, cornering ABS, and a comprehensive suite of safety technologies. If you're looking for a bike that combines comfort with thrilling performance, the S1000XR should be at the top of your list. 5. BMW C400X, the urban commuter scooter. For those who want a more practical, everyday ride, the 2025 BMW C400X is the answer. This compact scooter is perfect for city commuting, offering agility, practicality, and plenty of features. Key features: 350cc single-cylinder engine. The engine delivers 34 horsepower, offering a zippy ride for city traffic and weekend getaways. Connectivity and storage. The C400X comes equipped with an easy-to-read TFT display, smartphone connectivity, and a spacious under-seat storage compartment. Modern design. The sporty styling and dynamic lines make this scooter an eye-catcher in any urban environment. If you're looking for an easy-to-handle, fuel-efficient ride, the C400X is a smart choice for the modern commuter. Conclusion. There you have it, folks, an overview of the best bikes BMW has to offer in 2025. From the track-ready M1000RR to the adventure-ready R1250 GS Adventure, BMW has something for every rider. Whether you crave speed, comfort, or versatility, the 2025 BMW lineup has you covered. Which one of these bikes caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing motorcycle reviews. See you in the next video. Call to action: make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest bikes and gear reviews. Thanks for watching.